Okay, so check. We're proving triangles are similar. Okay, so far, how many ways do we have that we've learned so far to prove triangles are similar? Show me with the finger. How many showed up? One. What is it?
Angle.
Perfect. Don't forget that one. It's like, I think it was the baby one. Don't forget the angle similarity. So maybe right at the top of the note page, just remind yourself, we've already learned angle similarity. We went over it on today's warm-up over and over and over. Okay, 2 new ones. You probably can see them already on your notes. Hopefully it's a review one. Our first one is what, guys? SSS. Do you remember doing SSS? Okay, but the dangerous part about what we've already learned is when we're talking similar triangles, are all the sides equal to each other? No, they're proportional. So right here, take advantage that these are your notes and just draw 2 big arrows. Remember, our sides aren't equal in similar triangles. They're, do you know the vocab word? Oh, perfect. What is the vocab word? Say it one more time. Proportional. Nicely done. Sides aren't congruent. They're proportional. Be careful with those proportions. All right, another check. Can anybody with their hand in the air tell me what something like this is called? What is it called when it looks like that? Callie, what is it? Perfect. Will you add that in your notes? It's good to review these things. So when it comes to the test and you're like, what the crap, we don't remember what they're asking for. That's a similarity statement. Good job, Callie. Thanks. Okay, next one we're going to talk about today is what one? Remember doing side angle side? So we've got our side angle side. Same thing as before, be very careful. The sides aren't congruent there. What's the vocab word? Proportional. Now another thing we were really careful about when we learned side angle side is something about that angle. Does the angle have to be in a certain spot? Yeah. It sure does. It has to be in the middle. So literally, SAS, literally A is in the middle. It's sandwiched between 2 sides. Same thing for side angle side similarity. The angle has to be sandwiched between the 2 sides that are proportional. Whew, you ready? All right, we're already done with page 1. Go to the top of the next page. Let's do this one together. Now there's tons going on in your notes. And let's fill it in. There's a little too much, but overall. So these questions, they come up all the time. So which of the following are similar? You've just got to choose 2 and go with it. So the first 2 we're going to use are these ones. Will you put a box around it? Let's just look at QRS and TVW. Now we've got to check the sides. But are the sides congruent? They're what? Keep saying it. They're proportional. So the easiest way, guys, put a smiley face right here. Check the shortest side first. The shortest side of one triangle would have to be proportional to the shortest side of the other triangle. So they gave you a clue. RS is going to be proportional to VW. Those are the 2 shortest sides from each triangle. So look at your picture. What's RS's value? 4. And what's VW's? All right. Next equal sign, we just have to simplify it. It's nice and loud. What goes into 4 and 6? 2. So what's our final simplified ratio? All right, 2/3. All right. Now compare the longest sides. They get this ready for you. They say if you look at the picture, QS is going to be the longest, and TW is going to be longest from the other one. So again, look at your pictures. What's the value of QS? I heard it. What is it, guys? 10. What's TW? 15. Right, now we just have to simplify it. What goes into 10 and 15? 5. So it simplifies to? Perfect. Hey, we're doing good so far. All right, and then the remaining sides, or I think of them as the middle guys, the middle length. It's not the shortest, it's not the longest, it's in the middle. So QR and TV is take advantage. QR, what's the value? 8. What's TV? 12. Divide both by 4, and it becomes conveniently 2/3. Okay, it comes up on your assignment today, and it says, what's the scale factor? If you get the scale factor question, guess what? You just barely did it over and over and over. Which one of those answers is the scale factor? All 3 of them. Specifically, what is it? 2/3. That's the scale factor. So it's just the ratio simplified. So don't be intimidated. You know what that is, but we just haven't been calling it scale factor very much. So our scale factor is 2/3. So because because the ratios are equal, I'm just going to use this and say triangle QRS is similar to triangle TVW. There's our similarity statement. Okay, technically, could we call it good because we found the two that are similar? Probably. But this middle part in your note page, will you fill this out? It's good practice to compare shortest to shortest, longest to longest, middle guy to middle guy. Start filling this in just by the pictures. They walk you through what to do. Good luck. Try it out. Good job comparing with each other. Okay, can we do this? This guy's loud. Makes them loud. You should be confident. RS over YZ, not the simplified answer. What's the first beginning ratio? 4, 5? 2, 3. All right. QS over XC, non-simplified, what is it?
10 over 12.
10, 12. Simplified.
5 over 6. 5 over 6.
Okay, technically, can we stop here?
Yeah.
Have we already shown that they're not proportional?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you could say, no, they're not proportional because of this. Okay, next question. You're totally on your own. All they gave you was a picture. Remember, proportion. Do shortest over shortest, longest over longest, middle guy over middle guy. Start setting it up. Good luck choosing which two are similar. Hopefully you choose right. Lucky again. All right, I'm curious. Did any of you choose two and you managed to choose the two that are similar? On your first try? Okay, McCall, tell me which ones did you choose?
I choose triangle LMK.
All right, LMK, and you chose PQN. Okay, will you tell us about your setup? What did you do first?
Sure. Well, I did it kind of like backwards.
That's okay.
So I did the LM over PQ.
LM over PQ, okay.
MK over QN.
MK over QN.
And LK over PN.
LK over PN.
And then I just divided it, or like I plugged in the numbers,
Okay,
which were 16 over 20,
16 over 20, got it.
12 over 15,
12 over 15, got it.
and
20 over 25, okay.
And then I divided them, and they all equaled 0.8.
Oh, so you checked their decimals? So all their decimals were 0.8. Okay, so is that okay to check with decimals? I remember when we did the day where you can have you're a decimal person or a fraction person, totally works. Or as a fraction, does anybody know what 0.8 is as a fraction? How many of you know? Totally is 4/5. So those of you who are fraction people, how many of you got 4/5? Okay, which one of this, all of this is going on in here, which one is the scale factor? 4/5 is the scale factor. Just choose one of the ratios, simplify it, that's the scale factor. Good job, I'm impressed. Okay, one more thing, are you with me? Why? Why are these ones similar? We've got 3 ways to say they're similar. The one we did on the warm-up, the 2 brand new things at the beginning of the notes. Which one is this one describing? Christian, which one? Yep, let's add that in our notes. So we just showed that these 2 triangles are similar by side, side, side similarity. Thank you, Christian. Okay, flip. We're on the last page. We're probably going to be some side angle sides since we haven't done that yet, yeah? Okay, they say they are similar. They've got similarity statements. We just have to say why. All right, look at this one. What do you think? Side, 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 or side angle side?
Side angle side.
I think it is side angle side. So let's put this up here. Let's shoot for side angle side. All right, the sides aren't congruent. They're proportional. Let's jump right to the angle. Which angle are they talking about? Do you see it? The 90-degree angles. They both have this 90 degree. All right, so we're going to have to match up the sides that are making this the included angle. So that one and that one. And, oh, this might be tricky if I don't use this. We'll do this entire one and this entire one. Okay, be careful. Is that angle getting sandwiched between the sides? Is it? Then we're good. Those are the sides we want to check. So let's check DF over MN and make sure it's proportional to DF MN DR over MR. Doctor over Mister. Here we go. DF, what's the value of DF? 15. What's MN? 12. All right, what's DR? Okay. Don't let us trick you. What's MR? It is 8 because the little baby guy is 2. So the rest would have to be 8. do you think? Are those proportional? Simplify 15 twelfths. What goes into 15 and 12? 3, so that would be what? 5/4? Alright, so 5/4 for one of them. Is this one 5/4 too? Divide by 2, we get 5/4. Out of all that in there, what's the scale factor? 5/4. Super redundant, you get the scale factor. Alright, side angle side. Okay, last one. Try this one. Don't forget, there's certain angles that are in lots of pictures. Alright, guys. Alright, my first question for you, what's the reason on this one? Wait, what is it? Alright, side angle side what though? Yeah, there's a difference between side angle side and side angle side similarity. Alright, so hand in the air. Where's the angle in the picture? Go ahead, Allie, where are they?
Angle RBS and angle YBX.
I love that you named them with 3 letters. Thank you very much. What kind of angles are they? Whole class, what kind of angles are they? Vertical, watch out for them. So we've got our angles. So they've got to be sandwiched between 2 sides that are proportional. Can you get a hand in there? What did you use for your setup then? Be careful as you name it. Christian, what did you do?
So I did 15 over 18.
15 over 18, okay.
And you simplify that, and that's 5/6.
Simplified is 5/6. Okay, keep going, you're doing great.
And then you do 20 over 24.
20 over 24, got it.
And that's 5/6.
Yay! Check. Side similarity. Last time I'm going to ask, which one of those is the scale factor? Got it? Okay.